You caught me without my makeup done. The holidays are coming up. That means parties. And I want to do a really easy makeup look that's a little bit of glam and no eyeliner. I know eyeliner can be tricky for a lot of people, and I absolutely get it. I mean, I think when we think of more glam holiday makeup looks, we instantly think of like winged eyeliner, things like that. But you know what? First of all, that can be really involved. It can be really tricky. And the older we get, I think it's harder to have a steady hand. It's harder to see. Hello, readers. So let's do a really beautiful holiday makeup look with a little bit of glam and no eyeliner. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. If you're new here, I am so glad that you're here. I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40 and women over 50 who just want to look and feel our very best. Today, I'm going to show you this super simple makeup look, and it's really more of my everyday makeup look, just amped up a little bit, just glammed up just a little bit. But like I said, no eyeliner. I already have my smoothing primer on. I will link this below. If you're not using this smoothing primer, it is the best. I'm telling you, if you're over 40 or especially over 50, it's a smoothing primer. It really does smooth everything. Oh, it is amazing. I will link it in the description below. I also have my foundation on, which is the IT Cosmetics CC Cream Your Skin But Better. Love this so much. And my concealer. Love this concealer. I've done my videos on concealers before. This one's under 10 bucks and it's amazing. So where we're gonna start is with a little bit of contour, and then we're gonna do blush. I'm going to apply my contour, and I recently did a contour video, so I will be sure to link that. So I'm just gonna apply my contour really quickly. You can watch me do it. I may speed it up a little bit just for the sake of, you know, shortening this video, but absolutely check out that contour video. If you don't use contour every day, first of all, I hope that you'll watch my contour video. But second of all, don't feel like you have to do it every day. You absolutely don't. But I did want to include it in this look because for a couple of reasons. One, I wanted to give my cheeks a little definition. I wanted to thin out my face a little bit. I wanted to thin out my neck. Plus, I'm also gonna skip a whole lot of eyeshadow. So I put some contour over my eyes. I'm gonna apply a little blush over there, and that's gonna take the place of a lot of eyeshadow. Next, I'm applying blush, and I'm gonna use this Milani blush. I will link it in the description below this video, along with everything else. But at the end of this video, I'm gonna share one of my very favorite products that you don't have to use every day. I use it quite often because I just feel like it gives my skin, my makeup look that just little something extra that makes you just go, wow, that is really pretty. What is that? So I'm absolutely going to apply it today, and I'll show you what it is at the end, but let's put some blush on. When it comes to applying blush, especially if you're over 50, I've said this before, I've said this in a ton of other videos, but I think it bears repeating when we're applying blush. Make sure that you aim a little higher than you did in your 20s with your blush. And you want to be right about in the middle of your eye and then work over and up. So I haven't gotten to the glam part yet, but I do want to say the contour gives your face just a little bit more sophistication. It does definitely step up your makeup look a little bit, especially if you're not used to wearing contour. But I'd want to go ahead and now do the eyes. Remember I said no eyeliner. So what we're going to use instead is we're going to use some eyeshadow sticks. If you're not familiar, if you don't use eyeshadow sticks, first thing I want you to know is I'm going to use 3 different colors, and you'll see when I use them, it just creates a really pretty look. It's going to be more of a smoky eye look without all of the talent and finesse it takes to do it with eyeliner. The other thing I want you to know is with the darker of the colors, I want you to stay away from that far outer corner of your eye. That's where all the crow's feet are. And since our face is falling and that's when the crow's feet are, it can really drag your face down and create the exact opposite of the look that we're going for. So here's a good way to remember it. Stay about 3 to 4 eyelashes in from the far corner so that you don't get that dark color too far and it doesn't drag everything down. I'm going to start with a white, kind of a pearly color. This next color is more of a copper color, so it's a little bit darker than the last color. It's a little bit lighter than the next color, and you do get a little bit more grace, a little bit more forgiveness with the lighter colors. You can apply those both top and bottom. I won't apply the darker color, the next color, I won't apply it on the bottom, but with this medium tone, this copper color, I'm absolutely going to apply it on the top and the bottom, and I'm going to come down a little bit further on the bottom, and that's what's going to give it more of that smoky eye look. Now I'm going to apply the darker of the 3 colors, and I'm going to try to stay away from the far outside corner, and I'm going to try to stay away from the far inside corner. Again, just because it gets a little muddy on the corners and it can really draw your face down and give you the opposite effect. And let me say this, if you've never played around with eyeshadow sticks or anything that you're just saying, gosh, I've never tried that makeup look before, I don't know if that'll work for me. When you try it is right before you're going to go to bed, right before you're going to wash your makeup off. So it's the end of the day and you just want to just play around with it and see whether or not it works. Do it right before you're going to wash your makeup off. That way, if it works, great. If it doesn't, who cares? You're just going to wash your makeup off from the day anyway, no big deal. I love the combination of the 3 colors. I just think it's so pretty. And you see it's kind of a subtle smoky eye without being all of the eyeliner. And then you'll see when I put mascara on, it's just a really pretty look. I love it so much. And if you feel like, oh gosh, I got a little bit too close to the outside corner, it's not like eyeliner where if you go to rub it in just a little bit, you make a huge mistake. You can easily just fix it just a little bit without ruining the whole look. Okay, we've created a really pretty eye without any eyeliner. Now we're gonna add a little bit of glam, and this is so easy to do. I really encourage you to do this. And again, play around with it before you wash your makeup off at night. So easy to do. We're gonna add a little highlighter. There are so many places that you can add highlighter, and because this is going to be a little bit more of a glam look, a little bit more holiday party inspired, I'm going to apply highlighter to all of the places. First and foremost, the very most important place to apply highlighter is right in the corner of the eyes. It will instantly make you look like you got an extra hour or 2 of sleep. Then take your finger right on the cheekbones. Such a great place to add highlighter. Then I want you to apply it just underneath the arch of your eyebrow. Really give some definition to your eyebrows, and also helps to draw the eye up instead of drawing your eye down. I have very thin lips, so you will probably never see me say to do a bold red lip or a beautiful bright pink lipstick for a party look. You'll probably never hear me say that because I think it really draws attention to the fact that I have thin lips. So here's what we're going to do instead. We're going to take our highlighter and put it right there. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of lipstick. And then instead of using lip liner and a dark lipstick, I put a little bit of highlighter at the Cupid's bow and then put a little highlighter over my lip gloss, helping my lips to maybe, hopefully, looking a little bit fuller, where I feel like that dark red lipstick, that bright cherry red, that bright fuchsia lipstick really emphasizes the fact that I've got practically no lips at all. So I like this look a whole lot better. Before I apply mascara, I have two more things that I want to do. First thing that I want to do is I want to show you one of my very favorite things. I promised this at the beginning of the video. I use this a lot and I love it. Bareminerals Mineral Veil. It just gives your face the most beautiful finish. I love this so much. And go down your nose, underneath your eyes, your chin. And I usually go up just the middle of my face like that, but it just gives your face the most beautiful finish. It's called Mineral Veil, and it really is. It's just like a little bit of a veil on your face. It's like having a filter on your face all day. I'm going to apply setting spray to lock everything in place. Once my setting spray dries, I will apply mascara and I'll come back and show you the whole look once it's done. I put a little bit more mascara on than I normally do, but also because we didn't use eyeliner, I used my mascara wand and applied mascara in and down. And that way I got a little bit more mascara closer to that lash line to help take the place of the eyeliner. So what do you think? Can you do this at home? I absolutely know that you can. Took me longer to explain it and to do it for you than it will be for you to do it yourself. So what did we do? We used contour to thin out the face, give our face a little bit of definition. I put some contour and blush above my eyes, so we skipped a little bit of eyeshadow. I applied highlighter on the cheekbones to give yourself a little bit of a glow. Inner corners of the eyes with the highlighter makes it look like you got extra sleep. Define your eyebrows a little bit. That eyeshadow pencil, oh my gosh, I used 3 different colors just to give my eyes a little bit of dimension, a little bit more definition, a little bit of a smoky look without having to use all of that eyeliner. I put on a little bit more mascara than I normally do, really concentrating closer to that lash line. Again, just to take the place of the eyeliner. And don't forget a little bit of highlighter on your lips, and it just gives them a little glow, but it also makes them look a little bit fuller. I hope all that was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments below. Definitely subscribe and like this video. Save it, come back to it. rewind it and keep going back to it just to make sure that you didn't miss anything. But oh my gosh, this is going to be so easy for you. And remember to practice at night before you wash your makeup off. That way, if you make any mistakes, you're just washing your makeup off anyway. No big deal. Be sure to come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. I have a lot of fun over there, always talking about makeup and fashion. I would love for you to come over and find me for more videos. I will see you next time. So go out today and be blessed and do your best and enjoy your holidays.